It's complicated things with me as your guide. What could go wrong? We're going to need a grid with this many squares. We're going to mark the middle square and then every other square, both vertical and horizontal. Okay, maybe not every other square, just the first every other one. And then we're going to mark here and here and here and here and here. You see what we did there? So see how every line has an every other and they get fewer toward the edges. I know. Look. I wish I had a good explanation for how to do this, but you're just going to have to watch. It's going to have some over-unders because it's going to make like a basket weave thing, you know. If you've ever done the Tangle Huggins, it's like that. And if you haven't, well, I do have some tutorials on the Tangle Huggins. They're much better than this. But we're going to leave one end open. Okay, now that we've got most of that sort of done there, see? Okay, now we're going to deal with the corners. We're going to make some corners. They're going to have edges, like pointy things. Do you see how they're starting to connect? Okay, now maybe we did something wrong, so thank goodness we have an eraser. We've got to leave that section open and close off this other section. Now, see? Oh, there we go. We make our pointy parts. Well, look at that. If you have followed along, now we're going to erase most of it. I know. What? Just hold on. Because while we could trace what we have, that's not what I'm going to do. No, I'm going to build out a thinner ribbon because I have plans. I am going to color in some of the spaces and then I'll outline the design. And now for my favorite part, something shiny. I feel like this just gives it some pizzazz, you know? So we fill in our ribbon with something shiny and give it a little shading. And now, look at it. It's so shiny. For a real-time version and better explanation, see my YouTube channel.